Today we're out here with the Houston County Sheriff's Department. We're doing a little bit of drone training, a little bit of SWAT training, and more importantly, we're doing some training on how drones can help out the SWAT team. So they've got their drone pilots out here as well as the tactical team, and they're just for the first time looking at how we can assist them with the aerial.
Basically getting on site where your problem area is at or where your critical incident's at, and being able to identify who has a weapon, who my injuries are, what's the extent of the problem that I have there. That's what UAS brings that no other technology that we have right now can.